This is how to fix squeaky hinges on a door. So, first thing is just simply open and close the door slowly to find which hinge is making noise. Now, you could use a WD-40 silicone spray or a few drops of household oil and just simply spray or dab directly onto the hinge pin and moving parts. Now just simply open and close the door several times so the lubricant can spread out evenly. Now for stubborn squeaks, tap out the hinge pin gently with a screwdriver and coat it with grease or petroleum jelly and slide it back in. Now just simply clean off any drips to avoid staining the door or floor. And after that, guys, your door should now move smoothly and quietly. I hope this video helped you out. If you do, leave a like and thanks for watching.